Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and solve questions 1 to 6 of exercise 5B, chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 5B, questions 1 to 6, and topics are comparing like fractions, comparing unlike fractions, comparing unlike fraction with same numerators, comparing unlike fractions with different denominators, and finding fractions of a quantitative quantity. Finding fraction of a quantity. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 1, and question number 1 is replace star by greater than less than equal to make the statement true. First bit is 2 divided by 9 star 5 divided by 9. We have to place the greater than or less than or equal to in place of star. 2 divided by 9 and 5 divided by 9 both have same denominators, that is 9. So both are like fractions having same denominators, 9. Fraction having same denominators, numerator of the smaller number is always less than the numerator of the bigger number, and numerator of the bigger number is always greater than the numerator of the smaller number. So here 2 divided by 9 and 5 divided by 9, numerator 2 is less than the numerator 5. Numerator 2 of 2 divided by 9 is less than numerator 5 of 5 divided by 9. So we have 2 less than 5. So 2 divided by 9 is less than 5 divided by 9. So fractions having same denominators, numerator of the smaller number is lesser than the bigger number, and numerator of the bigger number is greater than the smaller number. Now we solve question number second bit. 3 divided by 4 star 9 divided by 12. 9 divided by 12. Both are unlike fractions having different denominators. Here 3 divided by 4, 4 is the denominator, and 9 divided by 12, 12 is the denominators. 4 and 12 are different. So this is a so both are unlike fractions having different denominators. Converting this unlike fraction to equivalent fractions, equating to equal denominators, multiply the same number with numerator and denominator both. When we have to convert the fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the same denominators, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 4 and 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. This 12 is 4 multiplied with 3. So LCM of prime factorization of 12 is 4 multiplied with 3. So LCM of 12 is 4 multiplied with 3, that is 12. So we have to convert this 3 divided by 4 to equivalent fraction having equal to the denominators 12. We know multiplying 4 with 3 we get 12. So then we have to multiply the number 3, both numerator and denominator of 3 divided by 4. So multiply 3, numerator 3 with 3 and denominator 4 with 3. That is we get 3 multiplied with 3 is 9 and 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. So we get 9 divided by 12. 9 divided 3 by 4, equivalent of 3 by 4 is 9 divided by 4. Equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 4 is 9 divided by 12. So 9 divided by 12 equal to 9 divided by 12, that is the second fraction. So 3 divided by 4 equal to 9 divided by 12. So when we have to convert the fraction into equivalent fractions, equating the same denominators, multiply the multiply the same number with both numerator and denominator, then the fraction that we get, that is the equivalent fraction of that fraction. Now we have to solve question number third bit. 3 divided by 13 star 4 divided by 15. Both are unlike fraction having different denominators, that is 13 and 15 are different. So these both are unlike fractions. So you have to convert this fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the same denominator, multiply the same number with both numerator and denominator. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. So we have to convert this fraction 3 divided by 13 into an equivalent fraction, equating the LCM 195 by multiplying 15 with both numerator and denominator. We know 13 multiply with 15 is 195. So we have to multiply the number 15 with both numerator and denominator of the fraction 3 divided by 13. So multiply 3 with 15 divided by 13 with 15. So multiply 3 with 15, we get 45, and 13 multiplied with 15 is 195. So we get 45 divided by 195. This is the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 13. 3 divided by 13 and 45 divided by 195 both are equivalent fraction. Now we have to convert the second fraction 4 divided by 15 into equivalent fraction, equating the denominators, that is 195. We know 15 multiply with 13 we get 195. So we have to multiply the number 13 with both numerator and denominator of 4 divided by 15. Multiply 13 with numerator 4, we get 52, and we have to multiply the same number 13 with the denominators 15 also. So multiply 15 with 13 is 195. We get 4 divided by 15 equal to 52 divided by 195. So equivalent fraction of 4 divided by 15 is 52 divided by 195. Both 4 divided by 15 and 52 divided by 195 are equivalent fraction. Now both have same denominator, that is 195, and we know 45. Having the same denominators, we have to compare the numerator. The smaller number of the fraction is lesser, smaller number of the numerator is lesser than the bigger number of the numerator of the second fraction. Here 45 is less than 52, so 45 divided by 195 is less than 52 divided by 195. So 45 divided by 195 is the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 13. So we have to write 3 divided by 13 is less than, and 52 divided by 195 is the equivalent fraction of 4 divided by 15. So we have to write down 4 divided by 15. So 3 divided by 13 is less than 4 divided by 15. Now we'll solve question number fourth bit. Fourth bit is 5 divided by 12 star 17 divided by 13. Here both are unlike fraction having the different denominators. 12 and 13, 12 and 30 are different. So these both are unlike fractions. So you have to convert this unlike fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the same denominators by multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 12 and 30. First we have to find the prime factorization of 12 and 30. Prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3. That is 4 multiply with 3 is 12. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3. And prime factorization of 30 is 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 5. Now we have to find the LCM of 12 and 30. LCM of 12 and 30 is 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 3 multiply with 5. 2 multiply with 2 is 4, 4 multiply with 3 is 12, 12 multiply with 5 is 60. So LCM of 12 and 30 is 60. Now we have to convert this fraction 5 divided by 12 to equivalent fraction, equating the denominator, that is LCM of 12 and 30, that is 60. So we have to multiply the denominator 12 with 5, we get 60. 12 with 5 is 60, so we have to multiply the number 5 with both numerator and denominator of 5 divided by 12. So 5 multiplied with 5 is 25 and 12 divided by 5 is 60. So we get 5 divided by 12 equal to 25 divided by 60. 5 divided by 12 is equivalent fraction of 25 divided by 60 is equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 and 25 divided by 60 both are equivalent fraction. Now we have to convert 17 divided by 30 into an equivalent fraction having the denominators, that is LCM 60. We know multiplying the denominator 30 with 2 we get 60. So we have to multiply the number 2 with both numerator and denominator of 70 divided by 30. 17 multiplied with 2 divided by 30 multiplied with 2. 2. 17 multiplied with 2 is 34 and 30 multiplied with 2 is 60. So 17 divided by 30 equal to 34 divided by 60. And 17 divided by 30 and 34 divided by 60 both are equivalent fraction. Now we have the same denominator 60. Having the same denominator, the smaller number of the numerator is lesser than the bigger number of the numerator. So here 25 is less than 34. So 25 divided by 60 is less than 34 divided by 60. And 25 divided by 60 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 12. And 34 divided by 60 is the equivalent fraction of 17 divided by 30. So 5 divided by 12 is less than 17 divided by 30. Now we have to solve question number 5th bit 1 divided by 10 star 1 divided by 5. Here numerator are equal, that is numerator 1 numerator is 1. Both have same numerator, that is 1. When numerators are same, then look at the denominator. Fraction of bigger number. Fraction of the bigger number is less than the smaller number. Here denominator 10 is greater than 5. But 1 divided by 10 is less than 1 divided by 5. as fraction of the bigger number is 1 divided by 10 is less than the smaller fraction 1 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5, 10 is greater than 5, so 1 divided by 10 is less than 1 divided by 10 is less than 1 divided by 5. So we have 1 divided by 10 is less than 1 divided by 5. When both have same numerator, we have to look at the denominators, and fraction of the bigger number, fraction of the bigger denominator is less than the fraction of the smaller denominator of the second fraction. Fraction of bigger number is less than the smaller number. Now we have to solve question number 6th bit. 6th bit is 10 divided by 11 star 11 divided by 12. When both numerators and denominators are different, fraction having the different denominators, then we have to convert the fraction into equivalent fraction, equating the equal denominators by multiplying the same number with both numerator and denominator. So we have to convert these two fractions into an equivalent fraction. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators 11 and 12. Here LCM of 11 and 12 is 32. So we have to multiply the number, we have to convert this 10 divided by 11 into an equivalent fraction, equating the denominators, that is equal to the LCM, that is 132. So we know 11 multiply with 12 is 132. So we have to multiply the number 12 with both numerator and denominators. So numerator 10 multiply with 12, we get 120, and denominators 11 multiply with 12, we get 132. So 10 divided by 11 equal to 120 divided by 132. So 10 divided by 11 and 120 divided by 132 are equivalent fraction. Now we have to convert the second fraction 11 divided by 12 into an equivalent fraction, equating the denominator, that is LCM 132. We know the denominator 12 multiply with 11, we get 132. So we have to multiply 11 with both numerator and denominator of 11 divided by 12. So multiply 11 with numerator 11 and multiply 12 with number 11. So 11 multiply with 11 is 121, and 12 denominator 12 multiply with 11 is 132. So we get 11 divided by 12 equal to 121 divided by 132. 11 divided by 12 and 121 divided by 132 both are equivalent fraction. Now we have the same denominator, that is 132. Both have same denominator. Having the same denominators, we have to look at the numerators. Smaller numerator is less than the bigger numerator of the fraction. So here 120 is less than 121. So 120 divided by 132 is less than 121 divided by 132. So 120 divided by 132 is equivalent fraction of 10 divided by 11. And 121 divided by 132 is equivalent fraction of 11 divided by 12. So 10 divided by 11 is less than 11 divided by 12. So you have 10 divided by 11 is less than 11 divided by 12. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.